You lived an entire life before the age of 3. You felt joy. You experienced fear. You learned how to walk and talk, and yet, if you try to recall it, you'll find absolutely nothing. It's a total black hole. We assume it's because our baby brains were too simple to remember, but that's wrong. Your brain wasn't failing to record your life. It was actually doing something far more radical. It was recording everything, and then choosing to destroy the evidence. At a structural level, your memory engine, the hippocampus, was under construction. Key pathways, like the dentate gyrus, weren't fully wired yet. But the real culprit is a paradox called neurogenesis. In your first years, your brain was exploding with new neurons. This is essential for brain growth, but every time a new neuron integrated into a circuit, it disrupted the existing connections holding your memories. Essentially, your brain was tearing down old walls to build new rooms. You weren't too weak to save memories. You were too busy becoming a more complex brain. Even if those memories survived, they wouldn't be yours in the way you experience memory now. To have an autobiographical memory, the kind where you are the main character, you need a developed sense of self. Experiments like the Rouge test show that before 18 to 24 months, infants don't recognize themselves as distinct from the world. If you didn't exist as a continuous narrator inside your head yet, there was no one to anchor those early experiences to. The baby in your old photos lived in your body, but their mind was functionally not you. Finally, there is language. Without it, early experiences were raw sensory impressions, lights, sounds, textures, without a structure to hold them. Once we start speaking, and specifically once we have conversations about the past, language gives our memories a skeleton. It provides the container that turns fluid experiences into lasting stories. This is why our earliest memories vary by culture. The more a society prioritizes personal narrative, the earlier those memories tend to form. So, why did you lose your earliest years? It wasn't one thing. It was everything. Your brain rewired itself. It grew too fast. You lacked a sense of self, and you lacked the language to structure the story. It wasn't a failure. It was the cost of becoming a human. Your brain had to disassemble and rebuild itself, neuron by neuron, to turn the baby you were into the person you are today.